guys, it's Vinny with Grayskwerel Outdoors. Today I wanted to show you how I attach my Pursuit platform and two of the Bowman platform ring of steps to my tree using a cam buckle and a technique I pulled right out of the Sladder Climbing System's official handbook, the double wrap. Let me show you how I do that. What I'll do is I'll slide this out, the cam buckle, I'll slide it out, make sure I have room to go around the tree. I'll hold the platform on the tree like this, pull my straps around, crisscross them in the back, trying to keep them as straight as possible in line with the platform. I'll come around and hook it, hook the cam buckle, straighten out my lines, place my steps where I want them, tighten the cam buckle, and cam it over. This will work with the Bowman platform ring of steps as well, without the platform. Now, when I set the platform and when I set the steps, they won't continue to slide down the tree every time I step on them, because this top strap here is going to get real tight from the crisscross and the weight on the platform and the steps on the bottom part of the strap. So as you can see, and let me tether in. So as you can see, once the steps and the platform are set, they won't move. Now I can comfortably sit and slide around the tree. Sit on this side. Sit on this side. And I don't have to worry about the steps or the platform itself moving down as I place weight and move around the tree. The only downside to this is that because you're double wrapping it around the tree, with a wider tree, you'll need a longer strap. If you notice here, this is probably about a basketball sized tree, maybe a little bit bigger, and I'm right near the end of the cam strap. So to get on anything bigger than that, I'll need a longer cam buckle strap. So when I take it off and put it away, I'll attach it like this. Set that cam over. At the same time, I'm holding these back. And like that, it's a nice, tight, neat little package. And you can see these kind of hang over here a little bit, but they don't move, as you can see. And then I just take the excess line, wrap it around a couple times, feed it through, and that holds it in place. So I hope that helps. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you think and how you liked it.